enti wudi ya chi wo Facebook ne so a wo be hu de ekoso e wo ho and na topic aye baba bobo ho no ya ne counselor be bobo ho no eda ho no adenti na ebu wono ma odo etimi da ne ani bre ma owuo kura timi be mo eye de be andia and ya ba to won ko bo ye papa party counselor be baba kayensa and akoye ya wadai de counselors colon ebe ye zezeze etidi ya chi wo Facebook ho Adwuma die Ama J Herbal Clinic one son yasin Shawes Color Studio and Digital Embroidery Police ni no adrono one mu nyina aboa so yasin Enti anche bia motivational message no baba wa kwan mo
If we feel the way I feel when I see you walk, I go jump. The way you smile, I go jump. When you touch me, I go jump. You back a make, I go jump. When I see you walk, I go jump. The way you smile, I go jump. When you touch me, I go jump. You back a make, I go jump. Show me your shape. Show me your shape. Baby, your ways. I want to buy this top, make you take me for a ride. You're lubricate. If you're fully shot, baby, we come up again. I don't wonder what go happen. If you say you don't love me, cause only you to make me happy. Cause this your life, I go jump. The way you smile, make you go jump. When you touch me,
you want it for me, go. I want to see you go, though. Baby, really come and do. I want to see you go low. Mommy, anywhere you go, I swear I follow. You give me love, oh, but I never seen before. I want penny, me pay, I won't pay. Don't you dance, you baby? If you never go, don't you? Softly roll it, baby. Me say, dance it for me. Roll it for me. Yeah. Wine it for me. Baby girl, you give me love.
I don't wanna be lonely. Please need someone to hold me.
Adwuma.
I don't wanna be lonely. Please need someone to hold me. Tease me.
People they tell me say you let me for a fool. I know they hear I want you. Be my baby boo. My tashi would ade. Mama kuma bomi boom boom je boom boom. Ade. Mama kuma bomi boom. Bomi do dum. Ade. Mama kuma bomi boom boom je boom boom. Ade. Mama kuma bomi boom. Wanna be bad. I'm so glad you came my way. Wanna be bad. I'm gonna love you night and day. I'm gonna love you night and day. I'm gonna love you. Injole.
Me sweetie
Injole. Me sweetie.
wanna beni
Tum tum roni Matashi wudum.
ade na makoma ba mi boom boom chip boom boom ade
Bomi do dum.
Adwuma sa afei ana woteka mu awo kwa adwuma mema wadwuma se won so wadru adwuma mu dada afei na obi kura paake de pepesa wodran sa na watena se munyina mema adwuma ya maame no so so wo dwom eton banchin ko obi nyadoa ne no keka ho ma munyina so adwuma sansa munti ene edidie motivational message no oraba so na ene akwaya counselors column ni yendi odo ho nkomo kakra enti na motivational message no ejina odo ho ejina odo so enti no ye won kwafo bi wo no mo a tsane ye wo a Kristofo a wo mo so mo do Kristo pa obekọ no mo te ason dem abo duku ete ason dem so wo mo do Kristo enso mo pie ya na adapatwa isi so ye won kwafo bi wo no mo a ombe ye sa aso wo mo do pa ene ma mi tufu kakra e wo do ho odo no Nyankopon aka se ye no dodo ye ho no enya odo trasa odo na adwuma wo ho enti se wo se wo do me a se wo se wo do obi a na wo do no so be do wa eno so nye do unconditional love aya wo do a wo do obi a wo nhwe kire se nipa no kro be do back enti ya ne ye susu se o madamfo ya me ne no koba na me do no na so se Bible na asem no kan ye sa no o se ye no ya tamfo mpo enti nipa na wotan wo no wo do no na se nipa ne tan wo but wo do no eno na kire se wo do nipa no nya nipa wo do na so do no eno nti wo do bi a ye ready se wo nhwe se nipa no so be do back se wo be do back o so wo no back o atenka na wunya wo umu no na kire se you wo do nipa no wobi wanso a wodo obi a wo hwe kire se nipa kwanu be ma ne bibi eno enye odo onko na pede bi wom ho unconditional love na emfa ho se nipa na tia wo na so still wodo no ebi wodwom ho na motia na na adwuma na love na ebi wo ho enipa na ya obone de na so se wodo na me wo mountain no mabu mani agusu sa na ekoso ana odo enimu se waye mi wei entim de ahye mi mu odo enimu se wei hu ofe wei hu nya fenti ma me nkodwo anipa na ne hu ofe no odo enim sa enti ye hunu sa unconditional ti see love na kwa ye empratwe minim wei emedo no mini wei na tifie ba ko medo no enu nti na nipa kum ya do so Ghana ha no but say yet your dress is a Bible ne kan ye say yendo unconditional no a odono e wo honom say the Bible no waka no a tema ebe kwaso e wo yentem enu ntimi busa question na na pay say nipa na wo se wawa no no nipa na wo ne te adwuma mo no nipa na wo ne te dwom honom no wo do ne sen ena wo si efa edo nipa no na wodi waye yimu say we what time pa we what bubu medinchie enti no mpena sam enti we na ya wosere kira me enti no me don pa ebi wo kra na de ne singu so nya fita ya wosere kira no kra na ya otamfo enti no bedo ni pa odi membu kuhwe men check se ni pa no we to say wodi do unconditional na de Nyankopon so akafa wodo ho no ode be ma se Nyankopon do ye ho wa bra ye nhwehwe enti Nyankopon so asem bi obeka bia no ade bi abata ho ya wode bedom ye enti ye ne sa no Nyankopon de bedom ye enti no me ka kire so de Nyankopon asem wakase ye do ye ho unconditional no emfa hwe ho na nipa kro no kra dwembo ne woni tirimu a ebebo ni tiri so kwaku do bia enhwe so odo na me do ni pay ede na be free akire ede aba enjure ho sa wo de do ni pa no do no de me se Nyankopon asa won aka fo do se Nyankopon se ye no do ye wa ho se ya tanfo kro ye mompa ye mfa ma mo enti Nyankopon so asem bia waka bia ne nhira wo ho enti se nhira no de do ni pa no unconditional nhira no beba nhira no naturally ebeba enunti ene afutu semu a enyina ya fa ntutu ya hofo no se baby yeti bia se yeti afihiem se yeti compound house se yeti yan ya fie se yeti obi mantwe bi se yeti ahemfa adwuma mu dwom yendo dodo ye ho nipa nsa hwe enipa yansa hwe ochina Friday odi akohwe mo chire enipa hwe nti ya yendo dodo ye ho saa ya dodo ya ho a oh bibia bekọ nanim dodo ohia ya adokuru yen se nipa no do wa na ubusa ne bibia ode ma wono wo be ma ho on mountain se ya dodo ya ho a e wasafo mu wo baabia no a Nyankopon be hu ye mobo e ma oman Ghana se ne nioma akọ no ho na e be kasa pa se ne nioma odo adane hatred odo adane wotan obi se me do me nkwa na nyina wo as water don't pass Gario go down 10 per meal. I surrender all my love to you, my baby. As long as you love me, you don't go need none here. Because I go take care of you, my sweetie baby. So if you want me, if I want to, yes I do. Be your one and only boo. Yes I do. Do I want to marry you? Yes I do. So you know for the bang bang, pass me the ring, baby dang bang. Adwuma no I just said Adwuma oye. Dia chi wo Facebook one na wo susu se eye die benti na odo etimi dane anibere ama owu timi bemu drop a comment na ye ne counselor ba twetwe ho nkomo drop a comment ebi a wo so afa bibi mu pen na wanka so odo obi pen wanka so se ba bia nipa na kwan bi ode mafa so no kaka ketekete ka me twese kan kaka ketekete ka me kama no adro kaka ketekete ka me yedi bibia wo so test bra 0594841044 and our Facebook na henkai 93.3 FM menyom ne ye bono never see your type baby I go oda you go baby I never see your type my girl I like your vibe for your love in a good time baby I go oda you go baby I never see your type my girl I like your vibe for your love in a good time forget the suppose baby I don't wear uniform too much class when you put it on come feeling like a unicorn animal be the soda fresh melanin girl be like she from Volta she say make I take her to the altar she say make I do the play I'm not in your drug be that. I was blind, now you make I see the future. Baby, take a picture, make I put on Insta, put on Twitter, make I show them definition of a diva. What? Your back like blockage. Go, put our waist on rotation. Gaga, on points like punctuation. Baby, you deserve a standing ovation. No matter. Entian chebi abekwa akwaje abofo nkrato na afa yaba na ye ne counselor atranse atwetwe nkomo baby I never see your type my girl I like your vibe for your love me I go die what it if you want I go love you die anything you want baby say I go buy so if you want I go make you mine and they happen now me de makumama winti fa unjum ni eti sorry sa hey amusukura na me da mo ade apena moya ya su nchele atamfu ni ewu amusi ye do ide enti abusuafo ye kwakwaje aboafo nkrato abaye ba adwuma ebeto aso me da say we must ye pena akuma mema eduro na adwuma me hu amena ade apena me de makumama winti fa unjum ni eti sorry sa hey amusukura na me da mo adwuma ye be like in the pain them ade apena be like in the pain them danke bera na yo ya intimida ona ni ye yo mi do intimida ona ni ye yo mi do I promise you down in a bed like such a machine until we must be back how can you see go on your mommy
kwamboduma o pemna sama me wo pempao
Minua kawakuma to yem amaje herbal clinic esa enyadewa nyina wono esa enyadewa bi te se bema wayemre ewo mpem bema wontomenwo wo ema afemu nso amaje esa enyadewa bi te se asekeka wo ba wontomen enwo nso amaje behwe na watenete ede amawo
se sei krampo na mefi dware bana so me ho keka me te se zongola chichi e na achimio
Dabi amaje esa ehunemu ni yare bia sempo webubu eguko anase woni pedue nyina ayemre udane weni ede anwedru ubehu amaje herbal clinic kire kwan ewo odan aboabo any gas filling station no ene di enfenimu fra won ewo telephone number edidi soyi eso 0244877840 anase 0205045655 ko amaje herbal clinic nanya wa yaresa.
Another one. What else? Yeah.
Entimian part akra no bidia semani asese. Painti me painting na anu ye na ni apase.
Hey, atakura pan ya bu say. Eja atakura ya bu papa. Enti wani soso kwaso wonim krom.
Anti Afia pa. Ekro we mu. Ehemfa na painti papa wo esen krofo we ho.
He na no cheche. Bese na me nkocho ba bia ye ton foreign paint papa de Africa Canada and America and aba. Ye yankofo tu bata ekọ kro kase mu koto edi nyina aba. First time American paint. Wamo fra foreign paint ahudro nyina so ma colors no e dance.
Enti kroma ehemfa na sa Ghost time America paint fo ibehu wo.
Afa na wo kasa kwa Press Junction wamo wo ho ana ash foam omo ne wamo enedi animhwe. Fra wonom e wo 0242 270 966 ana 0558 231 558 ana 0548 650 009. Wamo nkrabata ne bi nso e wo Kumase ene Nkoko.
Afia na mehunya wonya.
Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense were back.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pedian Musamaya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the drawn one, the Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing in no, a boy who buy every home. And now one pa, one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and more who are deep in tea. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk crazy, and you are may move bia your tone in row. At to 0246 20 8496. Imbus Haba Mesa, police in no Edrono.
Mido, answer na de fia e hrampa.
Ha, eya ban 20 enama efia ehwehwe hwamsano.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eya JA ban ne call limited. En wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no kwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ne se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nansen kwada nyoma ne ate se wan. Eya parazo enu na me disie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afro. Na dia ba de na ahowura poto bi de isi.
Eya akasha no a na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia. Papa pata susu nyina so ate se wan no.
Nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila. Hu awowo bia wo fie ha bi.
Medeta wo eya JA Bani snake reparent na me de atu o ma sesa no.
Enu omo wo niema papa.
Ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedema wa horo wo sei uhu ana. Ai enu aso na me de wo horo nchase mu nyina da.
Ene we die me di adanse akira mansan. Fa no mo wo.
JA Bani wo mo nioma no. Wo benya bi ato wo Kumase takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wo buase boga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye. Se wo pani do so po matu a wo benya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho akasa na factory no esie.
Ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyina no nso
0247 576 643.
Me dofo na so mo din ni body say.
Eye JA Bani na call limited.
Agency. Enti enya factory ho na ya na omo de bra mo ho. Factory. The contract ahura menyinya nyina. Quest Distribution Agency and also prime cement, iron rods, blocks, size BI, and Adwuma binding wires, pavement blocks, and your density who Yemen Kayena.
And it is a woman and a digu one track in the Brewway.
Achimo Dani Eastern Region and Kaya Hadie will be a confined cement, iron rods, a free Quest Distribution Agency, Achimoda.
Ah, sir, Cyber Dini Mammy Bio.
Quest Distribution Agency, Achimoda.
Monsieur Fiti Necro, a den bia Messiano, a Chim Dani Eastern Region Ham Potamwakani dear, a Quasi Distribution Agency, a Juana Meko. Matisse, one more opposite Timber Market, Omo by MTN, and a telephone numbers in Sua, a 0202 722 695, and a 0266 422 351. Quasi Distribution Agency, Yaya Yesi Dino, Yanawa Necro.
Adwuma.
Music, oh Lord of mercy. Oh yeah, yeah. Rockstar. And they call me Eugene. The way I love you now, nobody go feel love you like I do. Damn it, double it, yeah. And they talk say you do me, juju. The way I love you now, nobody go feel love you like I do.
Where I'd rather be, give you the best of me like it's supposed to be. And girl, I love it in your company. Here with you is where I'd rather be, give you the best of me like it's supposed to be. I know they won't make you go, won't make you stay. That watching your pretty face, baby.
Adwuma.
No, they won't make you go, won't make you stay. Stay back.
Baby boy, really gave you all I had, but you played me, boy. You depend me, boy.
Adwuma, and Anna baby, I will be. I know I just say Adwuma, yeah. I think 93.3 FM, so now what you know. Now, Miss Lawad, the next question and answer somewhere you be doing and come on. And we have a papa to make us say, Chief Counselor, I be coming, sir, I will feed you. It all questions, Nina Boabuano. I didn't know or dot me done a time. I will our dear moon penetrium, baby.
I wish you all the best,
now, Adwuma, dear one. I'm a J Herbal Center. I'm a J Herbal Clinic for.
When I wake up, you be first thing on my
One of my sons, and I'm saying fun to when I'm saying. I'm a J Herbal Clinic, one of our home. And your mother, them, and your mother, them, the them, sir. Ultra modern scan machines. Yeah, I shall bread womb. Liver, kidney, uterus, and in the honky cajon. You never be one more. Laboratory service and that's a bia. Yes, young Washer would do so more jam. I would ample. Would you do one more? Machines, not dear machines in the water. It will Hannah say. Massage, you one more. Yeah, you my guy, and when I'm to know. O kwano mo betimi massage o kama enti mesra wada ko ama J Herbal Clinic na wo mo ensa wo yade wo mo si yade ahodo bebre no mutimi sa o ba ma bu ontimi nwo ayi na apia ma ya ne entwatew o ba bu onso a ontimi nwo o ko no mo a o benya ba o baba Babe matronaso, typhoid, syphilis, hypertension, hepatitis B and C, kidney problems, menstrual problems, gono kumemano, syphilis nina, oko wano ma watch them down. Udu achim da se mehwe Amaje Herbal Clinic. Obi abetro. Ana frem penifo. That was 0244 877840. 0244 87 Imbus Herbal Mixture na make am for the amount nana pay. Se wo pe immune booster papa. Immune system no ho e wo se boost no. Na so be boost no dia na ye police ni no adwo no. Imbus Herbal Mixture. Ubenya bia to Hospital Square Junction. People's Junction and drugstore bia mu achom dan ne mpatamo. Mr. Wada from Penny 0246 208 496 0246 208 496 and 0540 710 113. Imbus Herbal Mixture Police in a journal. Na kwafobi ke kan se Ghana adwuma ni ya. Ana pipi ba ndisi ba wo nyina ye hu so. Mr. Wanga sa ukransa no dwuma. Ukransa no dwuma. Ukransa no dwuma de na Shasha West service. One edi dwuma de wa so bi hihye so. Eno ti Mr. Wada pick your forms no. E 40 Ghana so this pe. Now training ya 100 cedis e be 100 cedis ya utimi edema ba se wonni ni free ba for 100 cedis utimi di cha obi kwase wo nkodi enti kwa ne kwa kosua ade fa kosua ade o fa kosua ade na unim nyoma wa mo kire biodigester toilet now ya flashy anase no we decide one be organic fertilizer cocoa butter body cream and lotion we na peda we oba wa kana bia so say adwuma ni Ghana Shasha West for say brabe sua enioma donut ye the creative plastic bowls shampoo hair conditioning na kwane kwasua bi Nyami Adwuma August bosom da toso do 9 e wa fimpe no nia do no ba ko mu ana sanchechire koso e wo Presby Girls School achemoda Master Oluwa be the only difference Anapana watchike na koso 800 cedis ni ye rede na kwato funds 40 Ghana cedis Shasha wonum na etwa wa woko dan waje boso ko ba waje boso ankasa wache dan ne patamo etenye color studio and digital embroidery dia wo masa forget it wo ya wedding wo ya engagement wo do birthday na be so twa pictures kra he hwa na mimi din sanso enti hunso kwa wedding dia wo ya na wajai enkaye bia to wo akwafo bi wedding omu ya wie pictures omu twa ye nowhere to be found ye hu ayira free camera nipa no okotwa photo no ayira free ni camera no so we ya la di piaka ba color studio and digital embroidery dia wuntwa photo wo ho na enyina da obahuru ne kama kro gen ade amount enye WhatsApp so na so won send wa wo be send ne show ade amount na embroidery no wutie ebi asuku bi number some ya crest ba je sa wo draw ni nyina wonom asolela kwaso na person ya embroidery wo mo Color studio and digital embroidery by Yamao. Kama face towel embroidery. Cap embroidery ni na aposi for. Monso no Afia mo pesa mo embroidery bi watade mu a. Ko no anyem fama. Na training so kwaso training kwaso. Ene mesesa no dwuma ne de pa bi kura na na photo twa. Uni skaba ba mu a. Uko color studio and digital embroidery hono ma wo nyan sample. Enti wasebra training kwaso hono mo. Photo no be hunu twa embroidery so be hu ye. Na kira kwani Liberty hono mo a. Liberty Transport hono mo opposite Canal Pharmacy. Dodan Liberty ya. Canal Pharmacy womo eni wom di enim hwefre penifo 0245 276 638 0245 276 638 Color studio and digital embroidery dia ukotwa mfoni na wanko ha na chese and someone 4 pictures now kwa channel 84 ni chem ewo ho
But I don't worry
enti we ni dwuma kwa hodra wa mo so ya se na pe ma dwuma di aba wa kwan mo na make us say owura Edwin dan kwa bo he owo fie hanamo oye chief counselor yane ne batwetwe nkomo nansa na counselor colon e beba so ho mami mbunku nta kakra bi nkyerɛ di ya chi wa be fonten ta kase no so ahenkan 93.3 FM agenche no betimi dia fa 0594 8410044
Me a local
Nansa ye wo hanom wane ye te se nkokɔ
Australia Ghana boy
7th August ye ni ye te se nkokɔ
I thought this one was serious
Jakoku obi ato hotel room posini na ye apostifo duadua mu anasa na ne mpena na akodi na wuo no ne mpena posini ne mpena na akoku no Nina ye ntawantawa bi akoso wo relationship ni mu empena twe wonsam Anche bia so na level 300 student bi okɔ school ewa Evangelical Presbyterian University College one so ne boyfriend cool no wabobon rough na krana na to na nanwa wonse do and so honum wa o 2021 kwan samwa hodre pia ba no no odo ya ye do ya I love you I love you ya kan na akɔwie ekunkum ye o anipa kunkum ye
I go tell them say them in die. If it's about we go suffer till we all die.
Sanso na brantie bi nso je koku no adan a kade ha ya Eastern region kade ha ya ana ne girlfriend koku no adan a wose boy na etwe mpranti ada wo ye nyame ti wakoku boy no eno so o aposifo nsem na dia fofura kura asa beto 100 ya na ba ye eno kura de odwene ho awonte ase ba dwene ho wonte ase Ababa wana nyamfie 35 or 35 years. Ana ne mpra no so nya 24 years. Enye age difference na mebeka. Wase ne girlfriend na wanyamfie 35 years no. Ono abema ne ko ne mpra no ho ko ye no. Na girl no ne mpra 35 years na eni obi ada. Oma ye sex. Ana oma video mo ho nti wakwa no ko hu se he ti video na da phone so ye woni hwan na da ho no cheche mi mu no ba no say me ni cheche mu bia fa mi phone mame fa mi phone mo pre phone ni ho a wabobbo ge na kunu waku na ndre ya na ni mo ye fast freight driver bi say driver no embe fa phone no nkoto mo kire na busuafo no fa chi aka che na busuafo no so ababa wa ne ba me ho na e na wawuo ko nkirem e na driver no so ye fast Oye fast no fra posifo se de ekọ no enye enti senya nipa no okwato se wawu that means almost struggle ye enti bia na bibi na ekoso posifo ba behwehwe mu asana wose ne ge na chi tinti no wakunu ti kwade ne koto mo chi wasenya kukudo de ne koto mo chire enti ade be enti na ya odo timi sa ada ne sa de we ana na ema na wo me ya sa na nti o mu ye nyame ana nyankopon no obo ni nipa ne se wo twempena wo hwe ni din wo na aso beku no yenkwa na afa ye ne counselor nkwa twetwe sasem we hu nkomo de nti na odo timi be da ne otan enti wo nso a wotie ne jote question bia apese obisa no counselor e wo fie ha ebra ne so a be ma kwan na afa wabusa counselor questions ni nyina enti yenkwa counselor hono mo chief counselor ora Edwin dankwa boahe Memo wakwa baba ahinka 93.3 FM so machi
mami ofia mejusu obi ade enso na memfa nka ho a na ne
ni nyina ye
sa the nyame asin so I think this is my first time and ube show na mama ntino and I like energy na udi awram no and I say o bokwadu ni fechire but enya hwe
enya hwe
sa adwuma mama ana what's set piece na mama na me so matumi afire the professional way so that say
so bibia boko
oh nyame adom bibia boko
yo the nyame ase na counselor na ye hwe odo ene otan se obi se me unam ho obi nam ho na oba ma bi ehun se me pel pa Uni ya me fenti no yentena. Na mo mienu nyina atena. Ti aba ne sen na mewi ache no. Na ntokwa. Ene nyoma bebre asa afi na bekasa asa adane otan. Odo na adane otan o de ben nyoma na nam so a yesa.
Mama Afia mama nchi atifo na no pay senyame abie han aman se a ebeka se na se na de mano na mama ntunchi akese nso nko achimso aduro wo me Afia pe na me mama ba ko nso eda fom eye ochina nyame adoma ene ebeyi na eye mama akuatiwa onwa na tete me a ye wo meto ne na so na ochina nyame adoma ene ebeyi no na fe yakuja no kra nti me mabusuafo ni na yakọ yeah sa pepepe na Mama Afia back to your question now ma statistics be na even before an come start no kra na ho na nka medical bowra nti na make say ade a wo ye no mani age ho just because yen hwe the rampant rate at which sanyoma we ECC of late ensema ECC no enye de enyoma e koso no enye de enye ye maame mpanifo nom ena enye ye papa nom mpanifo nom ena sanyoma we ECC eye ye mabunu no ans na mesre ede na ebebusa ede na ema sanyoma we ni na ekoso sene ya wokan no obi a mahu a mesema ne gin ho na fe wonso aka se yo bra mate sister mate afi ye mo obra ne mom ede na besi ama akọwie se afi de matwe sekan ana mafa kontiba ade abɔ trim ama wawu sansem we no aya da ya dwene ho ayente ase na ne ka kɔwie ne se Mama Afia nyoma bebre ekoso enkwasiabuo ekoso enkwasiabuo ekoso na yemu bi de anase yenwia no ma ne mema ne de bu a ose me de menya wo hwe de ani ehu enie we ne yedi ho adanse de adi yani ehu ene ne wo ka ho asemi na de yefa yani nso ehu ye nso obi wa wanka hwe obi tumi ka se me de mafa bible so a obedi udam eti ya wa betisa abrantie bi asen ne ho ya wa betisa bayo bi asen ne ho aya etoda ne ye de akɔhye fiefo ma me abrewa na otifie no wonye eti ko bekum abayo na enka wotwen ma ne dware no ma ne disem mfie na ansa na obekum no dabi na abrewa na otifie no so bekuna ato akone a enka wotwen ya ama brantie ni du sampempenso we ene wa bekunu aya mo mi enhwehwe san me de odon ho asem na meka me de babia mi area no na me hwe no me dinim no that is why we are tackling kwasea buo ne doso Mama Afia ema ne bu mema ne kwasea ene mema ne so bu ma ne kwasea pa se be ma onye dwuma wo fie na oba sori ahomache de ade siniti kotonwa na oba na de aduane be si ho na wodi bi wi a de aka na kakra ba beba wo nsem no wodi bi ye ma asem ennom sa ye nyoma na ninye ho okeka ene wo kan yi to much twede ehye to mam good oba nso bembe yi nso bone ho modin bia etoda wankasa to metena obisa won se ne nkanya brantie we anka me ene ka me metisen and then all of a sudden what happens ye we de no asema na wo ka se 24 years against 35 years sabe oni we na won ne to no oni net ho babia ana se sa mpratwe ba ko na etwa mu na wo twa ho video no eye de wo phone
so
e ba ye owo na ya mami owo no papa owo no eya but have you gotten to know the kind of person you want to nipa won ne te se empena na okun no unim nipa kro yi na wo de sade we eye den woni se be ma na won ne etwa mu no woni na da atwam enti eye den na we enunko enti wo ba che se de won ne te no se be wani nso na na sesen and then you have caused all this be ma hu ye wa mpene so amawo na ni anye ho enti do I say won so be ma no and a justify case ni say e wo se wo fa de bo ni trim se be oni abusuafo se sade we ni wo hu na enno ko ana wani nso a pam no twam no yemfa agro ni ngu na bibia obi anko ne baabi esi enti ne mehwe sade we ya still wani nso mi ya ne pam no twam no mami nku yehwe mami police ya na kana sem I saw a note say also what the car na ehun sensem onipa na oba na nche ne say obetua up to 1 week no like waban chain for 1 week but still on one it ye no na e ma no oye adwuma bosumi ya ketua oye adwuma pa but look at excuse or the ama I'll say enunti or the jene crack every nsem oye service person security service person onimra say impo ye be to say nka wunwu ya enka aban nipa na nkasa no ana say opposing nkasa wankasa be di kan chi watum but ye hwe e say woko ye me na make me see me de me di me lem ye hwe e den na ma sa de ni to misi e bia no wanya ni police awie ne bia no ne abrante bi na twi so ene me nya me police ni me mfiu me nka sesa na tie me de madwen na ekoho kwase ebo na bam be ma ne de on ka hwenkyere ko wanim obi a wa mfetu ankyere wo ho ne bi obeka okakere wo se uwi asi mu e ka friend say ka empa wo ho da. This is what is good and I know what I'm talking about. I have experiences. People come and they say that counselor we will say anything amonko we know what we are doing. No so be catch us say I know what I'm doing on case obi kun on case sebe so can say or the ade be born now be ko police station amonko so da no sungu so a bisa ho say wa bra bo na be sen. This is what is going on. Mami Afia, let me get back to my and then I mean pace now set my name de. Now question is identity or all of a sudden na adane to say ade bia yentumi mudin ana asefem ade a mimi nim for odo ho ne say odo ya abotre odo yento boase odo enhwehwe mma ono ankasa ho. This is dano na me makwabna kan Bible verse no it ye kan odo na it is not love no enyoma bebre the embodiment of a whole lot of things. It is say obi gina hono ka say medowa now the person understands what he or she is talking about. Me gina on enka say me it is say only me kasa na I love you. I ask myself sanyoma na so chokonkone kan wasem and wa kan ni na me in just one word na it is a me fuma. Could you also and I say can you be able to hold on to say sadia na me ye no be nya me ho abotre sente sadia then you don't love me. Let's get this straight. Oh okay, but what am I say Matthias aye send me kase mama Afia free ni 3 minutes so ka kan borre and na ma na ye mama Afia nen tade ye hye no na ye da nen that is mama Afia today wherever she passes obi anim say mama Afia na obe adwuma atade say so I can't say mama Afia without your head. Debi utini so a wonya mama Afia. Yeah. Yes, on papa na nshawa enye ene wonya mama Afia. But what am I say? So when somebody says that I love you, are you meaning all those things are a mawo and I say ye ka say love na a woman, are you saying it? It is so me fumwa. And if I'm going the wrong way, would you be able to help me and I say obe so mi mu and I be boa me and I be odi mbeba kwantre so no. So one to me yes that then you don't love me. It's if one me pa. You don't love the person. Abra uni baby a wakumanima or be accepting nipa fault because nipa oye nipa. Anything the Bible on say for us for all have sinned and fallen short the glory of God. But also I say if that assurance no mind if you confess your sins, I am faithful and just to forgive you all the sins to what I say. I'm just paraphrasing. Now, we nipa. Nipa. So he has given you that room. Say you have to forgive others. Send a beya won't soon for the becho. Into who unipa now also don't unye ready so the inform so becha. How are you expecting somebody to also forgive you? It is neither here or there. But what must say? And sister, it is a catch them say the word love. So me no din komona me bought the word love so chirewa. I don't just speak about love just anyhow. Until I'm starting free saying it is very deep. Except oti sanyo manasi. On tiasia sister, on netekwa, bra, on netekwa. If you don't, your mapana ebani na wo accept it. No, it is never here or there. And tisa that small piece, sadia can hate no. Mama Afia, you can never like food until you are hungry. I don't know how to put it, but to me hate you be abra ondono. Yeah, it is never true. Say ondona to me hate no. That is it. And see how come say and I make a common the wa and I say woman a chest and a common the intina would it is there can never be this before this and after this. I don't know so what they me
Matthias
yeah. It is a me be hate you. It means there was a point in time I loved you.
Yeah.
So what has led to sad way? And then I'm queen, and then I be shima I must your money kusi. Mammy if you're ready. Yeah, when we talk about the love phases, some people get it wrong. Now, and you be and you have the opportunity to hear some of these things I did to you. Yeah, well, Adebia, yes, our for your friend honeymoon. But you're about Adwuma, you're the honeymoon phase. That is what, and that is the first time you are hearing.
Yeah. Send everyone say, yeah, worry, I wear the navy any pet hotel be
good. That is, yeah, buy a typical say a impenetrating the honeymoon phase. No, how do I put it? The honeymoon phase it lasts from 6 to 2 years. That is where I need the penifoni be the year courting. No, let us be frank to ourselves. That is the right word. The honeymoon phase.
Oh, okay.
That is where you are beginning to understand the person. You are studying the person. In this stage, you know, say, Nipani ya wadia and shada nya ya pi. Let's be realistic. From 6 months to 2 years within a relationship, or ya wadia, you just give the room. Say you are expecting changes.
Yeah.
Oh man, and say enyoma ebesesa. Why? Because you are studying the person. You see, answer now you'll be worried studying for 2 and 3 years. There are about 5 years. It is 6 to 2 years. You know that is why you are studying the person very well. Yes, that is the honeymoon stage, and I said the phase.
Okay.
And that is where majority of yenumpo na bibia to atwa. Yes, we better no na ya abuse this stage. That is why if you have been able to go through the honeymoon phase, that's 3 years, about 4 years. What are you waiting for? And our net is saying, are we looking at the obi traditional marriage? The white wedding. Me bacho what I say. Obi the traditional marriage. The white wedding. Also o traditional marriage. And the ye fie no. It's other na wudi kan kofa uye wudi area. O say I'm going in for somebody's white wedding. I am ono ne pare bronia. Obeka say ye di kan kufie. No.
Wedding na.
That is it. That is the traditional way amode ware. It's ye no. But ene ye hu ni saying one ye bia na de nsem ba to ono wotena 2 years ono wotena 3 years ono wotena 4 years na kwala ba ku mienu miensa na afi wuji wani so ko what I say enti mama Afia when the honeymoon stage no to me complete here na de udi ra aware ni ma no na se na wo kan den na ma now okay let me also talk about this also the infatuation stage but I know I wouldn't be so much and I word the possessive love and I also don't want to go there but me per se me can say we say straight to your question I will say a den a man basa a den a man basa Mama Afia what for be our done you gone in for somebody you love so much you have hold her in a high esteem what again the idea woman is that you were expecting the person to do this for you o person o yes had we mount o person o yes had we mount Mama Afia baby e this sensem ni na ba eno no o wani suade hunu wo abrantie no wo wani suade hunu aba what do we see e kwan ba ne ana send ye hunu afi wo ba fie wie ye no wo ba gida mu wie hu se nyoma e kodin no e ho na so ba kire o super powers no enti when I'm expecting Mama Afia me na sebe me sorry anopa ne me yi to table so I am going and I'm coming back from work me ba duane nsi ho me ba nsuo nsi ho me ba say ni ho what are you expecting gradually twist my journey sa odona na me woma ono when we were in the honeymoon phase me nka se no ampo no anoma he said dey na aba what has led to this una wo be he said dey wo be kire me say he say yen kan wasem biu why because e bia medical washon sa you are getting it wrong you will lead the person to hate you and adebakwe woman say the person does not hate you as a person and a body nature yen getting it straight e man na mema etie me etie for muntie me nobody hates the body or the unit standing there say nipa no gina on metan no e nyoma wo ye no e na wo mpe yesi obi nso mpe wasem a won kan wasem
yeah
that is it enti how so oni neti dan baakum adan na wo se otan wa sebi mpanifo anim otumi ne order.
Senya body no. Sunu.
Good. Into when you twist and I say when you change from that, I now say ni suban bi enso sisa.
Yeah.
It is real and it is a fact. If you like, we're complaining sad we. Yes, you remember we are complaining about, and we have some women who are also nag. The least idea be man be catch any biano. I say we no. Those are extreme cases. Metwase oho. But yemra yenye die. Ni ebusa ye ho say. Wo hu se sad we emwa. Be ma ohu ye no wa prompt wo. What has been your attitude? Ekoso no. Now gradually you are that is how the odot here. You are putting in a lot of fire. Instead of love, you are now putting in a lot of fire. Dum say jano say so minka say udi nsuo egu sa odo jano so I don't know how to put it. But good. Wakachiro baako, wakachiro mienu. And you can odo is about respect. Do you respect him? Into your car no and I'm ben na what you have found. Media me mpemi nyoma say. Media me nyoma say. Okay. Let me try as much as possible because you are coming from a background that ebia na mo de moya me nyoma sa. Bema kan na o kan bi, oba kan na o kan bi. Enti I don't blame you. But enti na I say bema ne be jai na ja ne na no amunu mu mienu mu no ma be ho number ako. Enti sisi amaba no, it is the two of you. Una na o ma me no papa ni obi. Enti say rules and regulations no. We enyemra na emum ekwan a mo be fa so mo betumi abobra no. Ena nipa no ehwe say betumi akoso because yes a lot of do member say be man no expect a lot when it comes to your behavior. No why doing say they are so brache na be ya udum nija spiritually and physically. You don't help the man. If you are listening to me as a lady, yes, because say offer Bible crampo say or bonfire, it doesn't go. Una wo tete no. You are not making things right for the man. Inti yes na so oni awrade wa pambi na so ontumi nkwa awrade anima. Bronsam take you over na bronsam will take you over then nebeba. Wo nebeba wo so. He will come in to beat you. Or the ade be bow trim. Because ona why. Bema no so ba no so or kana so untia. What are you trying to do? You are forcing him or you are forcing her to go outside and cheat. Also be saying we say come about abayo way hunu hwede ode ayame she will go and cheat because you don't have enough respect for her. So expectation ya dear ba ko a etumi ma odo edane otan. You are expecting so much in terms of behavior, in terms of service, in terms of support. That's a ma see that hadwene me say sebi aya wo nam kwan na hu me ma no hwe ejom na hwe ade esom ade I no no odi hwe ye papa no mvogana ukono daka ase oyo na at the end of the day oba na se nsuo keka obesesi wo so onfa hokuru fi no a odi sika be to table so Mami Afia, you didn't help wa you might not even know where the money is coming from when you baba also all kan ya na beto
Matthias, na counselor your brain inti. Yan hwa de watch expectations. The other be komu no wo susu ye na de be ko no wa meet a na confusion asset.
Asset.
Tisia no obi okaso obi dia na agensam awie. Tisia wonya ne den kwan be na odo no hate no sa be turn back to odo no.
Inti say hate ni nya be Mami Afia. Ya na efre ne say de bia meka except say oba no you are not in to help Bema no. Bema no so unye ready say sa de na afraid say aware na mpratwen. And then no anase yetia na kasa we talk about solutions. Yeah etiefo say etiefo these are the rules and regulations regarding relationships. Enye ntokwa enye edu the stand say Bema no opon adwuma kra say otwen na ebo be 12 kransa na wabafie. Ba bia say otena kra say otena. Oba no so hu Bema na niyama hye no. This is where it has gotten to. That is why some of us we are there. But yen hwe say yen num ni wa mumie no what do you do? Some of frawo muntem. Aya no ahwa abofra nanim. Na Bema no so ahwa abofra nanim. Say eye saade we nti na ye mienu. Say Nyankopon eni so ade hunu bebem. So now yen hwe ni say. Oba edien enwoma bi na Bema na e kan wasem mmerbi. Enye na de o. For once for once, keep quiet and listen to Bemana Sema Okan. Ayan Kwasiasem. Only Mammy Penny. I know Mammy, but I don't like the attitude and I said the idea of Mammy. Mobia Sebi ono so tia wariase. Enye de won ware when the person says it, okuni kasem na echire wa. Oni se nipa ni so, o de echire wa dwen so eye wo dene. Going on the Leokino, eye wo dene. But the when he say talk to somebody about it. Adiana okun kan no, ka hona kene ka for the first time obe peja unsa e de anage. But this is the situation. For the first time, listen to your husband. Now, a experiment and I will do FM. And this wukunu eka sem ni wie na se ohwe na kire wadwen so na se for the sake of the love you are talking about. Where you find yourself, you are not in love. You are likening Bemana on it. You are not loving him. So also dona or ka ubetie. It will come for the first time. Adeno for so many years. Kadia we are and can repeat you. But give yourself the and also obano brewase for the first time. Numsio mwakumanyo waka sebe in sema kawo bibika. But keep quiet. You are building yourself up. A time is coming you would have to advise people into and to give yourself that doubt. Main kasa. Wakasa main kasa. But how do I build and I make an nipa na ojina wanim as bearman? How do you see him? Se usi uhuni se ukunua and au buni se ukunua. Sweetheart, sanyoma we wouldn't be experiencing. I thought that a man go extreme. I thought that a man ye kofa. Yes, and uti umane timer or not to me koda you know. Me anso me din kwa asemo. O won na fofo o to me explain it na fofo no to me bonechi cratch. We are ye di amfa. And then you see that the next time he comes around, Sanyo man enko sabiu. Sweetheart, edu echire or the ebro no di kum. Why? Because he said why I say also or can obeka. For once, why don't you keep quiet and save your marriage? If you only love him, send American. Make us say no. You know. Bemano or wadwene. Have you when me busa say when was the last time or baby in any kunti anane bemane ya dia sebe enso na nyane de o chi ne tenase say mikunu I want to talk to you. Say me no wan kasa obabumi and obabumi afri dem ha. Say same way say wukunu no e ka say yo mesa bo because o person dem kasa. On kasa oneni ubedi na temo. You want to speak to him. That emotional and say ma kakrebia na musu. How do you do it? You have never done that. You are emotional when you do. My wife wanted to talk to me. I've been my yard like me say already hold on to me in Adwuma.
Counselor, your mama for some brem na fe. Omo questions I would do no ya na fe. Na wrap up my na breno. Oh. And na breno ebueti ayen. Enti uso betimi Afra counselor wo fie hanamo. Question bia fa asem aye kan. Enkomo ye di question bia fa ho no. Frenebusa counselor 0201 944 485 0201 944 485 ana 0554 820 910. How Frada fame. Hello, Adwuma. Adwuma yo. Me pacho din baby akasa free.
Pacho me kasa free wada.
Now din.
Pacho me Richard Ntiamo.
Yo, bra Richie etio, counselor tio.
We abon some bebre. Na said you when you me do of on ma. You as ye man. Yeah, when they may do on my bed, do on us on an or yard, one and some and and they will pay my bisu on us said you. Why, near may be Nasa and Sam Fata, Nasa or Ban, consider me well. And I bear my dear Willie and yet one and a boof. But you will go on so Timukuno and a man, so sometimes you'll go on a man, wouldn't say a man one panel. Obesha ma be manahwe wadwuma ana obesha wo school obesha wa be wie school na so be wie adwuma no or China been a man of friend couple of young classmates in him. But I didn't yapa. And then as a worker, as one can say, work with the bonnet. Make a then and walk fast to be at the walk. As inquired, of one is one as a question at Juma. But then I'm say, officer no Bobra, I could do the beans by a day when she knew of fastener. It is what Tina, so we be in a man, none of fastener so. And Tian Cusco, and I do much of fastener Tianco. Not so big brand or channel, not so far, not so Ube in a man. Not so much, and I do on what one as on a yow. But Sunday many in us, what can I say? Not a wash, not a way I can say, what do over my concern? I told you, one pair of sad drinking headache, and my with you. Until you animal man and man, you know, you're fancy and awful, near you Sunday many and Panasale. If I wouldn't see an above for you, and I say, Crown, a frato.
Yo, yeah, that's it. Yo, hello, oh, we're free, so, hello, Adwuma. Me pacho dini baby akasa free.
Yes, I am Kasa Fiasane.
Yo, I'm a counselor to you.
Me pacho me the same beside counselor the number better.
Yo. Counselor the number better. Yo. Enti counselor, obi was a class. Okay, obi aba. Hello.
Hello.
Adwuma.
Adwuma.
Me pacho dini baby akasa free.
Your friend question because I feel that.
Yo, Kwasi, counselor to you.
Now, me a man. Then a man said, "Be Cacrebiana, and more Mutiara, who are answered to me, show me to my Umuhun said, Bemana, you for Bonini at the man of the sense, dear. Or cast a mile Bermano, if you are no join home, then in a mount, so and I will be home and to see him in Tiama or more.
Yo, it's a counselor, Jidis about to go. Counselor, ya no my night. Oh, okay.
Obi Basso.
Obi Basso. Hello.
Hello.
Adwuma. Boko, now swear.
So when I don't make Madam Cacran, Obi Awaro, I want new quiet and wadi. I was in a quackra. When you found out about Jamai, and I was someone I want to go. And no, or don't know, and I said it. You told them you know, Obi Awaro have you. I was on when you could, Eddie and you then you couldn't go for me. And also I order.
Yo, counselor.
Asemona. Send ya minya ba kuni busa is the second point and come touch is betrayal. Yes. Where you nama send Judas ye used to my no. Or no what na no. You said a lot of things. O can send be betrayal no. Be bring so one country no. Afena oba no. Ena mechire se benye se bia ono ena ena mechire hwehwe na mum gradually afena sense mo no APP well lose sa trust no sa didie na owo mu no ekọ cause ka wo ka kire ni fitiase na e bia konim kon obefa so a obesi ano kwan but wo de asie no enti se na director na busa se e de na bibia obedi ho awerho na se be hye ni mu a no ebia wo kanidie ni na akireo na hu se eyampa ena na all expect say won so obekani wo se wo do ne dia mesrew you can consult other people ye hu akwan na ye ntu sa na mo na beboa na de o ka se wakoware bosume baako oba na abodwama I mean say we dey was say wa make wo ho ade etumi essay awade adwama except entin we dey me dey mean to me en we dey wan kasa wa make wo abedwafo tie na obi say wa no aduane
eseja ko aduane na eseja you no jale hor kofa
obi kura to me to efa form na wan fa na ntwoke betwam so no so na say eno no eye sebi enye se bia ono no abasa ntawantawa ho ntawantawa no so yesi esien ni tekremane nya asema oma no mo kan asem it doesn't mean say there's something extraordinary say ye dwane no anfa de amoni otumi koba no ano a nemo mesijare
kofo ade What you know? Councillors obey so this tables.
Inti, what cars open so ye need to know. And what kind of baby mean what you when you have so. You the basic jar. And things to an amount. You maybe one just see a catcher. I deal with any fair power on your bio table sadia. But sadia with the any fair and busao.
Etia no. Na council we dey twa talk na ye fancy na do number na to bi busa number. Obu was a class. O sia ya me class bi o hwe. Si am university for na eko.
No, what's I mean kasa ye mu mi shase. This is what is killing majority of say a class for no. Me say ene eku omo no. Be ma enya wo class na me. Ye ka class a what you say say. Ye ka class you were nobody. Don't forget, at that time, no was sorrow, and I war from. He sacrificed for you to come to his level. And if you are crowd, do honor, who be doing honor, and no status or no bathroom. You have forgotten refi. Or no ne kune home. A share was sending a walkano. A DMU, and never see on your class. That time, no one who say, and or no class no. Of our freaks, I got him. Of our freaks, I baby now one. And polished you, made you who you are today. Sabrofuna okan obi ni tua woka on ka hwenkyerɛw wo se nwa baba akwa ne ka se fa ne se wusika e na ayera atofom ana se se ni se sweetheart enne yesi mabu yempedwuma wa brenya sika hwew aye wo sei on satumi ko wano enne wo be ka che ne se nya wo class no that mama Afia, I have series of these issues e me man nka hwe me se wo be sen wo comfort. This is what they are telling them. Right now on Friday me bow any abechina kotum. Gradually obeka oba onim di oba akoye. Eti me say nnuano ma no. That attitude of class. Onya me class enye o grade ni me o se so ba na me enye
ofufu so nam
me say me power chow. Be man encourage nkyerɛw. Se o ka che me say was spending 200 million e wo ho. Enti na wonya 200 million o de koma no calculate back. Calculate na fa
interest.
Ba ko kan. So betumi anya at that time who go to akra on the way ye wo no aka say sebi say on me die won enya onu mienu na die
munyina am feeli
odi agro
councillor for number 2 Jana
0246 272 392 0246 272 392
yo councillor ya da se pa no bre ene ana pe ya da se
Chio bibia.
Yo, ube chio bizu
oh, sena me kan me boga baako boga ni melu.
Okay.
Oba sika won ho pa nti mo programs no mo fantu nani mo bovuti pa. Ba down sika won ho na me a chimbo so me rural bank.
Okay.
Odan branch no. Me a minipa Leslie manager ho. Leslie Duapia onu su sika won ma ka chem se mo nko ho.
Ya be ko.
Ma ka chem se mo nko. Yo,
me that's eti councillor, chief councillor ne na twetwe nkoma samwa waka ina so chese ye chief councillor so ampa. Owura Edwin Dankwa Buahe. Yes, also Adwuma had ye dibesie. And a councillor's column ti so wate ti obana ne te na wo so won dio wa gba fi tadukuda won fi wo no their expectations are the con when meet then kwan be na so fa so councillor church ni nyina na mami ya fi ya wo atuntumrem wato wada ne benkum so and to me mami akua se men kan kire mami ya fi mani nyina so mom ya kọ you are saying menka sister sister akon akon ni nua ma ne mama nyina se o mama ya kọ me so me mama ya kọ kese eti kwami asante de yakọ abefontenta kese ne so na we de ne de ba me read the comment confession na menko Evans or the Frabuabu Zongo say Afia you do greetings to my lovely any bread or tiny say ya na can't trust no ni ba kwa breaki dia wo expert and send council ka dia wo expert no anya na fe ayen sempi midi ade